And now, First Warn 5 weather with forecaster Stephen Sarabia.
Good morning. It is 8:47. Still dealing with some fog this morning, so keep that in mind if you're planning on going outdoors. You'll also need a jacket, but we'll get to the temperatures in just a sec. Right now, here's the visibility across the board for the valley. 1.5 miles of visibility for McAllen, 2 for Edinburg. Starting to clear up in the Harlingen-Raymondville area, even Brownsville, but still a little bit of fog, especially at the island, showing 3 miles of visibility. Just something to keep in mind if you're planning on going outdoors this morning. Temperatures. You will need a jacket. 53 for Rio Grande City, 55 over in McAllen, 53 for Harlingen, and 55 for Brownsville. This evening shows that most of the valley will reach the 70s by 3 p.m. Mostly cloudy skies. Then by the time the sun starts to set, temperatures will drop into the mid-60s, then the low 60s by 9 p.m. Wind speeds this morning, they are nice and calm. You're not going to have to worry about any breezy winds, though if you're doing anything outdoors tomorrow for New Year's, that's when you can expect to see some breezy winds. And speaking of New Year's, here's a look at the New Year's Eve forecast. We are tracking a cold front, which will pass by in the afternoon, leaving us with some cold temperatures. This is 8 p.m. tomorrow, very windy, 57 degrees, with about a 30% chance of rain, and the rain chance increase as the night continues. And by midnight, 50 degrees, very chilly, still tracking that rain. So if you're doing anything outdoors for New Year's, just have an umbrella handy and have a jacket as well. Here's a look at the coastal forecast. Wind speeds come from the east-southeast at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Remember, there's still that fog this morning. There's a moderate rip current risk, and only one tide today. It's a high tide at 8:45 p.m. So for the next few days, this weekend, the highs are warm. Though right after we hit the high tomorrow on Sunday, New Year's Eve, that's when the cold front comes and it drops temperatures down into the low 40s. In fact, there's a chance of a light freeze, especially on Tuesday. Check that out, the low 32, the high of 40. Then temperatures do slowly begin to warm up. I say slowly because it's still going to be in the upper 40s by Wednesday. Then we'll be in the 50s by Thursday, and by the end of the week, still very chilly in the low 60s. And that is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.